How can teaching kids mindfulness help them bounce back from challenges and build confidence? Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment, paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. For kids, this can be a powerful tool to build resilience, confidence, and emotional intelligence. By practicing mindfulness, children can learn to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and poise. Kids today face a unique set of challenges that can make it tough for them to thrive. Anxiety, stress, and low self-esteem are just a few of the obstacles that can hinder their success. Imagine feeling overwhelmed by schoolwork, social media, and peer pressure, all while trying to figure out who you are and where you fit in. It's a lot to handle, and it's no wonder that many kids struggle to cope. These challenges can show up in many ways, from feeling anxious or depressed to having trouble sleeping or concentrating in school. Sometimes kids might even turn to unhealthy coping mechanisms like substance abuse or social media addiction to try to deal with their emotions. As a result, they might start to feel like they're not good enough, that they're falling behind, or that they're just not cut out for success. But here's the thing, these challenges are not just limited to individual kids. They're often a sign of a broader societal issue. We live in a world that can be pretty fast-paced and demanding, and kids are often expected to keep up. By teaching kids mindfulness, we can help them develop the skills they need to navigate these challenges and thrive in life. The good news is that mindfulness can be a powerful antidote to these challenges. By teaching kids mindfulness techniques, we can help them develop a greater self-awareness, self-regulation, and self-compassion. This can lead to improved emotional well-being, better relationships, and even greater academic success. So, what are some practical mindfulness techniques that kids can use daily? One simple technique is deep breathing. By taking a few deep breaths, kids can calm their nervous system and focus on the present moment. Another technique is gratitude practices, such as keeping a gratitude journal or sharing 3 things that you're thankful for at dinner time. Visualization exercises can also be helpful, such as imagining a happy place or a successful outcome. For example, kids can try a body scan meditation, where they lie down or sit comfortably and bring their attention to different parts of their body, starting from their toes and moving up to the head. They can also try mindfulness walking, where they pay attention to their feet touching the ground, the sensation of each step, and the movement of their body as they walk. Another technique is loving kindness meditation, where kids focus on sending kind thoughts to themselves and others. They can start by thinking of themselves and saying phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," "May I be at peace." Then they can move on to friends and family and even people they might feel challenged by. One powerful example of the impact of mindfulness on kids' lives is the story of a young girl named Sarah. Sarah was a shy and anxious kid who struggled to make friends and participate in class. But after learning mindfulness techniques, she began to feel more confident and centered. She started to practice deep breathing and visualization exercises daily, and even began to share her thoughts and ideas with her classmates. As Sarah continued to practice mindfulness, she noticed a significant shift in her mood and behavior. She felt more patient, more focused, and more compassionate towards herself and others. She even started to enjoy school and make new friends, which further boosted her confidence and self-esteem. In fact, Sarah's newfound confidence spilled over into other areas of her life, such as sports and extracurricular activities. She discovered a passion for painting and starting to express herself creatively. With mindfulness, Sarah was able to overcome her personal challenges and thrive in life. So, what are the key takeaways here? By incorporating mindfulness into their daily lives, kids can develop greater resilience, confidence, and emotional intelligence. They can learn to navigate life's challenges with greater ease, build stronger relationships, and achieve their goals. We'd love to hear from you. Have you or your child tried mindfulness techniques? What was your experience like? Share your stories and questions in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more, and be sure to check out our channel for more videos and join us on Patreon. Thanks for watching.